this video, let's see how to start a YouTube channel. Let me try to give you step-by-step procedure. If you're handling through your phone, go to YouTube. You can download the app from Google Play. Most of you will have it. So go to that and log in through your Gmail account. You should have a Gmail account to log in. Now, once you log in, you can create your own thing by going to the profile icon at the rightmost corner and go to your channel and start setting up a channel name and start uploading videos. Upload videos via video cam icon at the top. This black screen, no, this is the YT studio, that is the YouTube studio. Once you get into the YouTube studio, from there you can add a description, thumbnail, and track your video related detail. How to keep the channel name and description is click the profile icon at the rightmost corner. From there, go to the settings and you can change the name, description, and you can keep your subscriptions private. Like that, the settings you can change all the settings whichever you need. These are all the general tabs available. These are all settings within your channel. This is not going to affect your viewers. They can't view everything. Only the thing is, you can set your subscriptions private if you doesn't want your viewers to view them. I'm just going through every tab. Have a look at the settings so that you will have an idea while you create. Okay, that's it. This is my YouTube channel. You can find my uploads, my description. These are my home page, my settings. So this is it I'm showing you. I'm just going around to show you. Okay, try creating your own YouTube channel. If you have quality contents, create it and enjoy. You may refer a blog for in-depth idea. That's it. Ta-ta.